Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. So in the last video we have started with the new topic, that is how to reduce the non-linear pair of equation to the linear pair of equation, right? And we have done the two problems in the last video, and again we will be solving two more problems which we can see the extended part of this topic. So if you have not visited that video, please do visit that video as well, and you can watch that video. Okay, so what was the method that we have used? We used to find something which is common in both the equations, and if it is common, we would take that common part as one variable, and here also for the second term also, if something is common, we would take that also as the common part, and we can just equate it with some other variable, right? So let us do that. So you can observe here 1 by x minus 1, and here also the first term of the second equation also, it has 1 by x minus 1 as common, because both the terms, both the equation has the first term same thing, right? So let us take that 1 by x minus 1 is equals to some value. Let me take it as m. Then in the same way, 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to n. Then how much it will be? 5m plus 1 into n is nothing but 1n is equals to 2. So this is my first equation. In the same way, let us form the second equation. So it is 6m minus 3. 1 by y minus 2 is nothing but n, right? So 3n is equals to 1. So this is your second equation. So now after getting the equation, it is very easy. You can just use any of the method to solve this pair of linear equation, right? So let me use elimination method. So you can observe there is none of the coefficient which you can observe here. For m also it is not equal, and for n also it is not equal. So what you can do, you can just multiply the equation with some number, so that either the coefficient of m would become equal, or the coefficient of n would become equal. So if I am going to check for this to to make m equal, you can observe there is only if you will multiply 5 6 are 30 and 6 5s are 30, then only m will become equal. So both the equations you need to multiply. So better option, let me make n equal, n value, the coefficient of n equal. So you can, if you will multiply this equation with 3, then you will be getting n equal, that is 3. So multiply equation 1 with 3, right? So how much it will be? 3 5s are 15 m plus 3 1s are 3n is equals to 3 2s are 6. Then equation 2, let me write as it is, 6m minus 3n is equals to 1. So now I have made the value of the coefficient of n equal. So you can observe it is plus and minus here, so no need to change the sign, right? So because if one is positive, one is negative, anyways it will get cancelled, right? So this will get cancelled. Then you have 15 plus 6. How much it will be? 15 plus 6, it is 21m, right? 21m is equals to 6 plus 1, 7. Then m is equals to 7 divided by 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So how much do you get the value of m? It is 1 by 3. In the same way, let us find the value of n. So substitute m in any of the equation. Let me take equation 1 in equation 1. So what I'm going to get here, you can observe 5m. Okay, 5 into m is there. So we have got the value of m, right? So it is nothing but 1 by 3. Then we have 1n, that is nothing but n is equals to 2. So 5 into 1, 5 divided by 3 plus n is equals to 2. Then n will be equals to 2 minus 5 by 3, right? So what will be the LCM? 3. N is equals to, you got the LCM 3. Now if you will take the first term, that is 2 divided by 1. It is if you take in the first fraction, that is 2 by 1 into LCM is 3. So 2 3s are 6 you will be getting, minus 5 by 3 into 3. So you will be having here 5. So 6 minus 5, it is nothing but 1 divided by 3. So this is the value of n you have got, right? So you got m, you got n. Can you get the value of x and y now? So let us just find out that. 1 divided by x minus 1 is equals to m. M is nothing but what? You have got 1 by 3, right? You can observe here. Now cross multiply. So x minus 1 is equals to 3. X is equals to what? 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. In the same way, for the y variable, y minus 2, 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to n. How much did you get the value of n? It is nothing but 1 by 3. So now again cross multiply. Y minus 2 is equals to 3 and y is equals to 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. So now let us do the next question. So you can observe here this is also given in the fraction form, and there are the two terms given for the linear equation. It is divided by with some other term, right? So let us just take it separately and let us just cancel it off if something is going to get cancelled, because the denominator xy is for both the numbers which is there in the numerator, right? So let us just do that. 7x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy is equals to 5. So x is going to get cancelled, y is going to get cancelled. So you are remaining with 7 by y minus 2 by x. Why are we doing this? Because you can observe here, if it is going to be like this, then we cannot take anything like in these two things. We cannot take something common, and we cannot equate also with some other variable, right? Because we need two variables. So because of that, we are just separating these two and then we will take now common. So here you can observe it is 1 by y, and here you can observe it is 1 by x. Let us form the another equation also. Yes, so 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy is equals to how much? 15. So x getting cancelled, y and y getting cancelled. So 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Now in these two equations, you can observe here 1 by y is there and here also 1 by y is there. Here 1 by x, here also 1 by x. You can take it as common. So take 1 by y is equals to some variable, let me take m itself, and 1 by x is equals to n. Fine. So now if I am just substituting in this equation, so it will be 7m minus 2n is equals to 5. This is my first equation. What about the second equation? 8m plus 7n, right? 7n is equals to 15. So now again we need to solve this equation by any of the method. So let me solve it in elimination method. You can observe here you have got the value, the coefficients 7, 8 here and 2 and 7. So what will you do to make some arrangement here to make the coefficient equal? Let us multiply with the opposite. 8 7s are, and this one should be 7 8s are. Let us do that. Multiply equation 1 with 8 and equation 2 with 7. So if I'll multiply equation 1 with 8, so 8 sevens are 56. Then you have here minus 2 into again 7, I mean 8, so 2 8s are 8 to the 16, right? And this should be with n and this should be with m. I forgot that. So let me just write it again. 56m minus 16n is equals to 5 into 8, 40, right? Then let us write the next equation, that is I need to multiply this equation with 7. So 8 sevens are 56 m plus 7 sevens are 49 n is equals to 15 into 7. How much it will be? 15 into 7? It is nothing but 105, right? Then now let us solve this equation, because we have got one coefficient equal. And you can observe here both are plus, it will not get cancelled. So we need to change the sign of every variable. So now this will get cancelled, minus and minus. So you need to add together. So 16 plus 49, how much do you get? It will be 65, right? And bigger number sign is negative, so you need to write negative only. And here you have one number positive and one number negative, so you need to subtract that and write the bigger number sign. So 105 minus 40, how much are you going to get? 65, and bigger number sign is negative, so you will be writing here also negative. So minus minus will get cancelled. N is equals to 65 divided by 65, which is equals to 1. Now substitute n in equation 1. Okay, so 7m minus 2 into 1 is equals to 5. So 7m is equals to 5 minus in 2, after shifting that side it will become plus 2, right? So m will be equals to 7, and okay, let me write one more step here. So 7m is equals to 7 and m is equals to 7 by 7, which is equals to 1. So we got the value of m and n. Now let us find the value of x and y. How do you get that? We have substituted something, right? So now let us just get back the value. So 1 by y is equals to m we have. So m is 1, right? So in the same way 1 by x is equals to 1. So we have to just cross multiply now. So x is equal, y is equals to 1 and x is also equal to 1. So this is how you will solve the equations which are not linear by reducing it to the linear equation and then solve by using any one of the method. That's it for now. In the next video, we will be starting with the word problems based on linear equation, which you have to reduce it. Okay. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.